Hello, 4th, 5th, and 6th grade Richardson students. On behalf of myself and Mrs. Bernard, I want to share an opportunity with you to become a Student Council representative. Student Council representatives must have good character and leadership qualities, and have a desire to make the world around them a better place. They also will be required to attend meetings and events, though this will look different this year. If you're interested in running, your teacher will give you a Google Form application link, a Flipgrid link to complete your speech, and a parent letter. All of these are due back by the end of the day on Friday, October 16th. Teachers will be filling out recommendation forms on each candidate, which will be reviewed along with the votes each person receives from her or his peers. All of these things will be considered when determining the top 6 candidates for each grade level. On October 21st, each student will be able to view the Flipgrid speeches and vote for 6 students in their grade level to be STUCO reps. Representatives will be announced by the end of the day on Friday, October 23rd. If you have questions, please contact myself or Mrs. Bernard.